In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best bidets in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which bidet is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, Brondell Le89 Swash Electronic Bidet. More for less, obtain all the high-grade attributes you prefer with the Swash Le89. Experience a warm air clothes dryer, warm water clean, stainless steel nozzle, front and also backwash, solid laundry mode, soft wash setting, nightlight, and much more. Warm water and also cozy air clothes dryer. Advanced crossbreed home heating technology provides a prolonged warm water cycle. A warm air dryer gives an added touch of luxury. This round bidet seat actions 19. 5-inch x 18. 5-inch x 5. 7-inch as well as fits most rounded bathrooms. Solid and also soft clean modes. Solid laundry setting provides an added increase of power, while the soft laundry mode supplies a mild wash when wanted. Front and back cleans are naturally freshened for premium cleaning with the choice of a pulsing or oscillating spray. Stainless steel nozzle. The self-cleaning nozzle is fully encased in stainless steel for better hygiene and toughness. With 5 nozzle positions, 5 water temperature level settings, and also 5 water stress setups, you make certain to obtain the best clean each time. Here is the item number 4, Coway Bidetmega 400E Elongated-Electronic Bidet. Coway Bidetmega 400's unique iWave modern technology is designed to fit everybody for a comfy cleaning experience. The special 3-stage cleaning care system keeps the water flow channel, twin stainless steel nozzle, and also the internal spaces of the toilet hygienic at all times. Customers can personalize the water temperature, water stress, instructions, as well as flow, and the integrated dryer gives post-cleansing convenience. The sensor seat is heated and the 3-degree temperature can be adapted to your choice. Discover the commode without fear with this Coway Bidetmega 400 evening light. This feature can be activated and off based on your preference. Wireless push-button control uses your bidet more conveniently and is also sanitary with user-friendly buttons, consisting of child-friendly controls as well as braille for the visually impaired. The special Eco mode aids to lower the total power consumption of the system. The item number 3, Dude Wiper 1000 Bidet Toilet. Dual action blasters. Select a targeted but spray or rejuvenating haze from the self-cleaning, retracting sprayer nozzle. Simply turn the knob for the ideal circulation. We wanted triple action, yet our legal representatives claimed it'd be illegal in 23 states. Command your throne. Take the wheels off the user-friendly control panel to provide on your own a refreshing, custom-made tidy that removes the smell. Idiot-proof installation. Beginning spraying in 3 easy steps with full adjustability for an easy commode fit. Eliminate your bathroom seat, attach to clean water resources, and also slap the seat back on. No plumbing professional required. Advanced hygiene. The retracting, self-cleaning nozzle is always there when your third pit requires a power laundry, making TP a distant memory. The tail. We make self-care products for dudes that finish the job and leave you really feeling revitalized, from our initial flushable dude wipes to deal with and shower wipes, antiperspirant body powders, and body sprays to man performance underclothing. Number 2 in our list, Lux BDay Neo 110 Non-Electric Mechanical Bidet Toilet. Freshwater bidet with chrome-plated water pressure control handle. High-pressure faucet top quality valves with metal/ceramic core. Movable nozzle guard gateway. Sanitary nozzle retracts when not being used. Quickly affixes to as well as separate from any conventional 2-piece bathroom. The top one in our list, Lux BDay Neo Non-Electric Bidet Toilet. Gentler, forward-facing secondly nozzle, excellent for womanly usage. Twin nozzles for rear and frontal wash. The womanly nozzle maintains you tidy during regular monthly cycles, as well as is available and useful for brand new or expecting mommies. Hygienic nozzle guard gate shields the nozzle for your supreme sanitary experience. The nozzle instantly retracts behind the guarded gateway after each clean to guarantee it is protected till your following use. An extravagant look at an excellent price with a streamlined style, as well as top-notch parts, our Bidet add-on will certainly provide your bathroom a next-level look. Constructed with high-pressure shutoffs with metal or ceramic cores, as well as steel pipes instead of plastic. Have a good time doing it yourself. Consists of all components and also tools, Teflon tape for a tight and also protected setup, proprietor's manual or setup overview, registration card and user guide to obtain your Bidet up and running in minutes. Quickly attaches to and removes from any type of basic two-piece commode. No kidding, 18-month service warranty. We are constantly here to see to it you are 100% completely satisfied, so anytime you have issues or problems regarding the items, we are simply one call away. Register your Bidet online as well as get a prolonged service warranty. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best bidet amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.